Hey, good morning, folks. AJ here again. It's 6 a.m. again, and we're on the road again. So we're almost going close to Maryland again. I think I might have to go up. I don't know. It's an hour and a half drive. We're going to be helping someone out on a Facebook group get their cameras and stuff set up. So let's get on the road because we have a long day. I got this. I got some type of meeting, business meeting. I have a meeting with my CPA, and then we're going to be at Spring Creek and doing their first test run of their hybrid service that we've been helping them out with the last couple of months. So let me get my bag. Let's get on the road. Yay. All right, folks. So we're here. Oh, man, we out here. I've never, ever been in this part of Virginia. So let's see what we can do to get everything set up. And we gotta head back because I have a bunch of stuff this afternoon starting at noon. So let's see if we can get everything sorted out and go from there. Because, I mean, that's probably just because the bulb is dead. It needs to be replaced, though.
When we put this one on the screen, it's 10 times brighter.
Yeah. All right, folks, we're almost wrapping up. We ran a whole bunch of SDI cables. We got cameras. We're trying to do the plan to help them out. Right now, they're doing everything in the fellowship hall, and we ran a second set of cables so you don't have to replace everything when they move back in the sanctuary. So we're trying to decide what we're gonna do with the projector. And we have somebody who now knows why I always talk about I don't like going into attics. Because he tried to climb up in the attic, then it was like, nah, that's okay. That's
Not. It's high to my pay grade.
Yeah. All right. So I think we got a lot of good stuff done. Trying to make enough cables for him so that he has everything he needs to flow. Looking at a different solution on controlling the cameras. The cameras are currently not networked. But I was telling him how he can use that we can do it over serial like we've been doing. But like I said, he has the AV cam, so we're playing around with using the IP controller or mainly just the software right now. Software works, but it's stiff. So you don't have very precise control with it, but we'll see what we can do with that. And then we got another drive, and then we got a bunch of meetings to go to. So yay. All right, so we got the projector down, but I am short on time. So we got it down here and mounting the universal arm onto the new projector. But the good thing is this thing was so tight. Now you said you got another arm that's actually gonna be a pole from there, so it'll be a lot easier to get to these cables and bolt, right?
Right.
Okay. So technically, depending on the arm, normally the arm would have a mount that goes up to the ceiling that you secure to a stud or something like that, and then this whole plate you would attach to the projector, and then you can lift the whole thing and then just snap it in place, so it makes it really easy to do. But I'm gonna leave that to him to do. I got an hour and a half drive back, and then my phone has already been going crazy. So, yay! Let's head out of here, and we got them good. So it's just a few things left. I feel more empowered. Do you feel comfortable with everything else?
Yeah, I get it done. I get it done the rest of this day.
All right, so let's get on the road. All right, folks, we are now at Spring Creek Baptist Church, where I'm here to help them with a run through before they open back up in 2 Sundays for their regular service. So with all the equipment, the cameras, everything, the systems, the displays, everything, want to get it to where it flows like a regular service, but we also did not ignore the online. And with a lot of videos, presentations that they were doing before with virtual choirs, we're still going to do that, but they want to integrate that with having something live. So we set it up with the ATEM and the Extreme, with Pro Presenter, everything like that, to where it plays throughout the sanctuary for everybody that will be here, but it's still available for everybody that's online. And that's the whole point of the hybrid service, of being able to maintain the balance of both and not just forsake the fact that, oh, we're back in service, so forget about everything that's online, because of, since the pandemic, they built out a very strong online presence, like a lot of ministries are, but they are not going to just throw it out just because we're back. So really helping them understand the balance of being able to maintain both with this hybrid service going forward. So yeah, so we'll see what we got going on with here.